What is up, guys? It is Gavin here, back with another video, and today we are at a pond, a good looking pond. It's very shallow though. I don't know how the fish are gonna bite today. But anyways, we're gonna get right into it. We're just fishing for a couple, maybe an hour and 30 minutes or so. So I'll catch y'all on the water. Let's get a worm rod. Oh, got him. First cast. Do it, shake it. There you go. First cast, little old dude. Seen him come right up to it. Slam that thing. Got him. Oh, nice guy right here. Cold water. Probably close to a pound. Let's throw him back. Ooh. Get out of here. Got it. Eat it, topwater. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Get up here. This is a nice one. Alright, boys. Biggest one right here. He's probably about a pound. Ain't saying much, being the biggest one. Nice to see him go, though. Nice to see him go. That dude just hit the top water. I thought I heard something splash. So I was looking around and just boom, he hit it. Got him. Nice one, boys. This little underspin killed him. It's a nice one. Gonna watch him go. Oh, he splashed all over me. He's running to me. Got that one. Sling him up here for the win, boys. This dude is chunky. Okay. Oh, get out of here. Stay down, stay down. Another little guy. They're straight demolishing this underspin. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed. I did a lot of fishing today, probably about 3 or 4 hours, but I only caught a couple. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and push that little notification bell. Yeah, push that, because you're going to want to know when I post this next video. Alright, I'll see y'all guys later. Peace out.